Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to create a to-do checklist in Slack. So here I am in the Slack account dashboard, and let me go to my workspace first. So I have two workspaces right here, so I can just click launch Slack so that we can go to that workspace. And then if you have the Slack application installed in your desktop, you can go ahead and open it by clicking open Slack right here on the pop-up. But if not, you can just click on cancel and then click the link right here to use Slack in your browser. So here is my Slack workspace. So in order to create a to-do checklist, we can do it in two ways. One is that you can save your messages right here and then you can see it right here in later. So for example, I'll say to do clean the sink, then send it right here. And then what I can do is that I can click this save for later, and then I will see this message right here in the later tab. So as you can see, I have this one to do clean the sink. So if I am finished, I can just go ahead and mark it complete. And then you can also delete specific reminders right here if you don't need that specific reminder or that to-do list. You can also create one right here. You can just click this plus button right here to create a new reminder, and then you can specify the time. For example, let's say 4 p.m. tomorrow, and then I'll say to do send email to client. Click on save, and then it will be set right here, and it has a due date for tomorrow. And then another way that you can create a to-do checklist right here in Slack is that you can create canvases. So for example, I will go right here to project how to do, and then what we can do is that we can add a canvas right here. So if you can see it, you can just click this plus button right here and then click on canvas. And then we have the canvas right here, and then we can go ahead and create a to-do checklist using this canvas. So we will just wait for it to finish loading. And then here it is. So we can go ahead and add a title. So for example, I'll say project to do checklist, and then this is the title, and then the content will be right here. And then you can just click this one, the checklist button, so that we will have a checklist right here. So for example, task 1, right, plan, task 2, task 3, 4. So for example, we have this checklist right here, and then we can go ahead and check the boxes if they are finished. And then that is it. So you can also add some other features right here. For example, like emojis, or maybe some links, or like a file. You can change the formatting, so you can use bulleted list, ordered list, checklist, and then the headings right here, and then a code block. You can also insert some tables and layouts. But that is basically it. That is how we can create a to-do checklist in Slack. So just choose the method that you prefer, and that is it. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.